The journey in home renovation continues. Good morning, you guys. There are many things to update you on. The Band-Aid right here. Adventures in cooking with Tati did not go well. Fillet my finger. So we are about to have the install happen with the fireplace. It's happening relatively early, but I'm happy to get it done. More things going on in the house today, and I'm gonna give you a very real, unfiltered morning. Me and you look at how James has to deal with me in the AM, but just like what I look like in the morning, like my hair, just like what even is how. I genuinely don't understand. I shouldn't sleep in a bun. It happened. I literally feel like you miss one finger and the whole thing is over. You know what I'm saying? This is a healthy before. So I'm about to get to my day. My little guard dog, he is over there, super grumpy. Puka, are you gonna look away now? He's very upset that people are here in the house. This is really upsetting to him that there are yet again strangers in the home. He is not the most social puppy. He's so fluffy, so cute, so sweet, but oh my gosh, the attitude. Puka Shell, come here. Come here. Okay, Puka, let's go look at the shelves for the first time. We're so excited. Progress is being made. Oh my gosh, they look great. Oh, wow. Oh, they go high up.
I really love the machine gun turrets. They're
Oh my
really
gosh.
nice and protective.
Wow.
So this is what holds the shelf. You have the door open and closed.
You can close it. Woo! That fireplace is being installed. There's a lot of drilling, a lot of banging. Mirrors are being installed. Lights are being installed. You guys, there is so much going on in this house right now. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get down with a little bit of skincare and I'm gonna put on makeup and I'm gonna feel beautiful today, do a quick little get ready, a little something, so I just feel a little more pulled together. There are like a dozen people in the house right now working on different things. I'll show you guys around in a little bit, but let's do this. So strong. I went up a level. Ooh. It does not hurt. It just feels really weird. If you want to see the full meal deal of this thing, go to my Better Than Botox video. I will link that below. I have been doing this consistently. I love it. I love how it makes my skin feel. And in the morning, I don't do the full session, but if I'm puffy, I feel like this really helps. This is the up mode now. You can tell with the light change. So now I'm pushing the skin up. Okay, so my skin is all prepped and I just want to chat for 2 seconds about the powerhouse that these two drugstore foundations together provide. This is the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. I have worn this nonstop since I tried it on in the first Get Ready With Me video in this space, which the color was terrible. I didn't have the shelves up. It was such a mess of a video, but if you want to go and give it a watch and see this fully more in detail in action, go ahead. But what I'm doing now is I'm actually taking the Catrice True Skin and just like a little of this, a little of that. It is so super full coverage, but looks very natural. I really, really love this. So it's been a little bit challenging to film for sure. There's a lot of noise, a lot of dust. I feel bad. Puka is like freaking out, and so we're having to baby him. But every morning, like early in the morning, there have been people working on the closet, working on just whether it's a mirror, a light, or a shelf or closet or what have you. There's just been a lot of activity here. The workers get here and they're in the closet and they're like, we think your dog had like a little accident. It was not a little accident. It was literally like on the concrete floor because there's not carpet in there yet. Actually, thank you, God. He literally grabbed everywhere. Like it was so embarrassing, but also like concerning. Like, are you okay? We think he was just nervous, but like that is not a fun way to like start your day. You have people that are going to be setting up lighting in a room and your dog has completely just like gone everywhere, you know? Oh my gosh. I'm really excited for the closet. It's bigger than my LA closet. I've never had a closet this big and it's beautiful. The chandelier got hung. I will show you guys after I get ready a little sneak peekaroo of the chandelier and some other things that have been updated in the house. All right, so yes, I feel like I love false lashes. These are the Ardell 420s, and man, do they make a difference when you don't want to do liner or eyeshadow, but you want to look like a little more glam. They get it done. And now I'm looking at my hair and I'm like, I'm just at home. I really don't want to curl it. This is second day hair. We're letting it live. I'm curious to go check out what has taken place since I have been back here because so much noise has gone down. So let's go take a peek. Do you see what I'm talking about? This is the kind of thing that makes my brain legitimately crazy. This is veining into nothing and this is down here and I just want to go, but no can do. This was supposed to be like per what we saw in the showroom, one piece. I'm being a little bit complainy. I know it's just a fireplace, but this took 3 months to get in and days to install. And why? Anyone else? Do you go into someone's home and like a picture's crooked or something and you're like you want to fix it? Yeah. Who else out there is like that? Because every time I walk in here, this is all I'm going to see. Okay, this is going to take a minute to get used to. It will look better. sorry, did you say, do I want pizza?
Yes, do you want a pizza?
I love that you're asking me as you pulled 3 for yourself.
I made the greatest discovery.
What's that?
Leftover taco meat.
On pizza?
Pizza, the best.
That actually sounds oddly pretty dang good. We're gonna do tacos tonight. I'm gonna be making this cute little yogurt snack that I saw on IG, a 3 ingredient yogurt, frozen yogurt snack. And we got some meats, some eggs. This is my little Friday night date. Hey, we're going to one more store too, right?
Maybe 2.
Maybe 2, who knows? Man, that has all the gluten that I don't need. But James is gonna go for it.
What if I just got the buttermilk because it's not what you crave?
That's a nice gesture, thank you. I appreciate it.
Small sacrifices.
Oh my gosh, there's almost an accident.
I love spaghetti. What can I say?
All right, so we're on to part 2 of our date. We're gonna be headed over to Sprouts. I'm really excited. I'm actually not kidding. One of our favorite things to do is go grocery shopping and just like take our sweet time and goof around in the store. And it's Friday night, so this is what we're up to. You romance me.
Doors
Romance
magically
me.
open before you.
We made it to our second location. We are at Sprouts to do more grocery shopping.
Because you can't get all of our favorite things in one place. We have to go to many places.
High maintenance. I don't know if this is a good deal or not, but these are the most fabulous gluten-free ice cream cones. I really want to throw in like a, this week you can get extra pair of bucks or buy one, get one. But we're at Sprouts. There's no deal, but we're getting them. $3.99. Delicious. All right, you guys. Ooh, she's wearing her heels at Sprouts. Told you it was date night, and we are going to have ice cream cones later on. Grass-fed dairy, Cosmic Bliss. I'm gonna tell you right now that they better have it. Oh my gosh. Please let that be the cookie dough. Oh yes, grab it. This is the finest ice cream experience. Organic, grass-fed dairy. This is important. So delicious. Hey, you guys, I'm using my Eliosmear code Tati something. I'll put it on the screen. I think 20. Is it 20? Is it 20? Let there be light.
Are you okay? What happened?
I'm injured.
Did you hit your finger?
Yes. Well, I picked up. Oh! Oh!
Poor baby.
I can't do this. I'm sorry. I'm being dramatic, but also not dramatic. This finger, let me tell you, the most painful cut ever. I filleted my pointer finger, and anytime I grab onto anything, it's like a shockwave through my entire body, so that's fun.
Woman, you're supposed to be putting groceries away.
So I would show you guys, but it's graphic, and I would have to put like graphic warning because it is the gnarliest, grossest cut. If I was a hand model, my career would be over. I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. Wow, we have a lot of ice cream. Like,
Jeez.
for 2 people.
We're stocking up.
If it is the end of the world, come to my house for ice cream. I got it.
Well, gas is really expensive, so fewer trips to the grocery store. And more pizza. Puka Shell.
Puka!
Hey, buddy.
Hey, Pookie. Oh my goodness. Which one are you gonna go for? Lamb chop, or lamb chop? Hi.
Hey, buddy. Hello. Let me take the gift. I'll take the gift. Thank you. Thank you for the gift. Thank you for the gift. Good boy, good boy. Good boy, Puka. Oops, you forgot it.
I'm giving you more than like a tiny sneak peek. I was gonna save this room, but oh, look at this. Is this not so freaking gorgeous? I could stand under it and stare at it for many minutes at a time. I love this chandelier. Oh my goodness. So James is breaking all the rules with, well, I guess some of them are wire hangers. I'm like, why do you have dry clean hangers in here? Get those out. I cannot wait to get in here and organize. So yeah, it's a mess. It's a little bit of a mess, but this is a great space, and that is a beautiful chandelier. And it's like giving me a nice glow, a low light kind of golden. I've been outside and it's crazy hot here in Texas. I always bring a sweater everywhere though, because when I go in a grocery store, I literally am like goosebumps everywhere, and it's so painfully uncomfortable for me to be in the cold. I love the heat, but the heat makes you a little glossy, a little sweaty, dewy, and but this lighting is like working with it. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna go help James make tacos. We're gonna enjoy our Friday night. I love you all so much. Thank you for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed this. Thumbs up if you did. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.